Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. We have a new family addition. Buster's new friend, Bella. She joined our house a couple months ago, and she's awesome. Great partner for Buster to run around and play and do all that fun stuff. So he's not lonely anymore. He's got a pal, and they drive us nuts with the zoomies. This is our new addition. This is Bella. Look her, she's all shy. She's all shy, but she's crazy off camera. She gets the zoomies all the time with Buster and goes crashing through the house. Anyway, just wanted to introduce you to our new baby, Bella. She's a pretty girl. Anyway, let's get to cooking. Today we're going to prepare ahi poke, and it's hard for us out here in the desert to be able to get fresh tuna. So we have to make compromises, and so out here we get Saku blocks. So that's what we're going to use today for our poke. So this is our ingredients. We have some fresh ginger, fresh garlic, fresh green onion, regular onion, and a habanero that I'm going to throw in here for a little heat. Then we have aloha soyu, or shoyu, sesame oil, and the Saku block. Let's get started. First we're going to cut up this ginger just a little bit finer. Of course, you can throw it in a food processor and that, but I like cutting it up. Bella and Buster are at my feet looking for scraps. Okay, that should do it. We don't need all this ginger, but I'll definitely use it for something else. Next, we're going to cut the onion. That's probably enough. So now we're going to cut the green onion too. You want to cut it nice and thin. We use the whites and greens. There you go. Put that over there for now. Now remember, cutting with hot peppers, it's always good to wear gloves so you don't rub your eyes or anything after you cut. You'll find out really fast. But just wash your hands really good and you won't have any problem. I took the seeds out just so we got the flesh of the pepper. Sometimes the seeds will create too much heat, so you just julienne fine chopped, and then you go the other way. And just mince it up a little bit. All right, there you go. Now we're gonna cut this Saku Block out. We're gonna take a little paper towel because it's been sitting in there and they're pretty soaked. So we're just gonna take some of the moisture off of it. There you go. There's Saku Block. So now all we're gonna do is dice it. There you go. I'm gonna put this in our bowl. See how much water comes out of that. All right, so let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put all the green onions in there. Put all the green onions in there. We're gonna put in a teaspoon of fresh garlic. We're gonna put in our onion, which is probably about that much. It's about 2 tablespoons. Put in a teaspoon of fresh ginger. And then the habanero. We kind of like the heat, so we're putting in the whole habanero without seeds, chopped. Sesame oil, probably about a tablespoon. Aloha soy, same thing. Well, probably about a tablespoon and a half. And then we're gonna mix that. Ooh, smells good. And then we're gonna put our Hawaiian salt. Probably a little teaspoon there. Hawaiian salt. Mix it up really good. Now we taste it and adjust the flavors if it doesn't taste right. Can definitely taste the heat. Yep. I'm just gonna do just a tad more salt. All right, now we're gonna plate. Now, when we made this for the party, Chef Tim made the poke for the party that you'll see a little bit coming up. Get all this goodness out here. Perfect. There you go. Ahi Poke. I wish I had a little fresh seaweed or ogo to put in it, but this is what you get in the desert. But anyway, tastes really good. Looks good. Awesome. Hawaiian style Ahi Poke. Ono grinds. That's one thing that I really miss out here in the desert is from home, the fresh fish for making fresh Ahi Poke. It doesn't even come close with these Saku blocks and stuff, but it's what we have and we have to make best of what we got. But I do love it. Because like my daughter, when she'll come visit from Vegas, she'll bring me a whole bunch of pokies and we'll just we'll sit there and grind. I love Hawaiian pokies. Out here they have the poke bowl places, you know, and a lot of people they're putting Brussels sprouts on it, you know. They're putting like it's an ahi salad kind of thing. And no, we like traditional ahi poke. Just thought I would say that. Anyway, I hope you like that poke recipe. Just fast and easy and great flavors. And you can make it as spicy as you want, or you can leave the spice out. It's whatever you feel like. It's to your palate what you like. So we like a little heat. So yeah, the next video coming out after this one will be the one with my buddy Chef Tim, and you'll see all the foods that we prepared for that day. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll definitely see what we come up with on the next video. All right, aloha. Bella and Buster.